So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jody. So today we're going to learn about how to open a bottle of wine properly and with the easy way. If any guest order you a bottle of wine and you sometimes hesitate front of guests, so how you can open a wine bottle easily with a simple wine opener. Okay, so I have a wine here. If you go, Ganas is the grape, is wine from Spain. You can whenever you going to table, you can show the label to guests sir, this is the wine you asked for. So how you will open it with the easy way, I teach you. Yeah, all you have to do, you just need a wine opener here. Okay, so every wine opener have foil cutter, you can see. So all you have to do, you can see the second leaf, this is first leaf, this is second leaf, so you have to cut always on second leaf. Okay, so the foil is here, you just place here and like this rotate the bottle 3 times, 1 2 3, then you can the foil will come out, the upper foil, this is okay. This one keep inside your pocket. Second step is open your wine opener, apply the helix, and you can see now you have to place in middle. Okay, just place and press it and then rotate 6 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you don't have to rotate the bottle, you have to rotate the wine opener. Okay, cork. Then you have to now you can see this is first lever, this is second lever. So first we have to a first lever, you see half already come out, then use the second lever, then already come out, just twist it, boom. So that's how you open a bottle of wine. If you have any problem later on, you can write it down on the comment section. We'll try to reply your messages. Okay, so that's how you open a bottle of wine. Then just proceed, give the guest to taste everything, smell the cork, the wine not spoil, everything. Okay, easy peasy. Okay, thank you very much guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.